Hello, Salad Master lovers! Welcome to our Customer Appreciation Day. May cooking lesson tayo
veggies at of course broccoli.
from Tibet.
Baked
Ovenless baked veggies.
Tapos meron
Look at that. Nagre-reflect sa mirror. That's broccoli. Anti-cancer. It's really healthy. Very nutritious.
broccoli, cauliflower, chopped onion, meron tayong chopped tomatoes without the ano pangalan nito? The seeds, no? Tomato without the seeds.
Broccoli, cauliflower, tomatoes. Red bell pepper.
Pronounce later mo.
Pepper.
Red bell pepper.
Sino ba? Now, oile, I will wash my hands first.
Yes, very important.
No? The title is Auntie Mary Ann. The title.
Very healthy, quick and easy baked veggies.
Pero kasi sobrang sarap.
Baked veggies. Yeah, ovenless baked veggies in electric skillet. Salad Master electric skillet. Yummy. That's yummy, guys. No need for oven, guys. Just Salad Master electric skillet. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah.
No oil. No food seasoning.
No oil and no seasoning, guys. That's really healthy. Just dump.
Very, very healthy.
Yeah, dump and all the.
Yung nasa ko na pumabuhay kong broccoli.
Nakikita ba sa taas, guys?
Sambat system, salad master style.
That's
Sino
our-
ang mayroong electric skillet?
Woo!
Pakitaas ang kamay.
Ang dami may EOC.
Ayan.
Shout out to all the viewers. Thank you for watching.
Nakakatandaan mo daw ito kasi gusto malaman ni mami mo.
You can share the video, guys.
Ito.
It's the healthiest way to cook your vegetable. No oil. Pag nagsunday, no oil and no oven. Matipid sa kuryente pag salad master.
Let's put the cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Ate Bes, pronounce niyo doon.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Silent R.
Oy, excuse me. Oy, kaganda ng kulay. Nakikita niyo?
Yes po. Nutritious.
Pakiulit ang pamagat. Ate Melina.
Very healthy, quick and easy. Baked vegetables.
Isang kutsara na. Pag hindi nyo na sa atin.
Ikaw ate best.
Very healthy, quick and easy baked veggies.
Ovenless pa yan ha. Ovenless baked veggies.
Our portable oven.
Yeah.
Our portable oven. The most beautiful oven in the whole planet.
That's right.
Hindi ba nakalimutin? Sinabi ko sana, isang masyahan kayo.
Yes. I like that. Nutritious. Guys, can you imagine? It's really healthy. We need more vegetables, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Onion is, so those have antioxidants or antioxidants. Antibacterial. Onion.
Onions.
Onion. Onions.
red bell pepper.
Red bell pepper.
Basta good lang dyan, no? Ang maganda ng kulay, no? At saka hindi naman ito dinuluto.
Ang bango!
Mabango siya sa ulam. Very healthy.
Guys, you know that if the scent is good, it's really good. It will taste good.
And the seedless tomato.
Tomatoes.
Thank you, Ma. Ma, kaya ganito, no?
Yum,
Sa ulam ko, dapat may parsley pa ito. Parsley.
Parsley.
Oo. Kahit ulam, nakakain ko yung mic. Kasi kulang kasi music eh. Opo yan eh. O yan eh. Kung meron siyang parsley, ilagay yung parsley dyan. Green.
Wow, so colorful.
O yan.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Slice the small slices of onion leeks.
Green onion.
Yeah.
Onion leeks.
Onion leeks. Very colorful, yeah.
Colorful.
Colorful.
Dalang si
Very healthy.
Dalang si
Balong sibuyas.
Excuse me. Natin yung pagkaragdagan. Very colorful. Very easy.
Very colorful. Very healthy.
Very delicious. Uy, pakabang na. Uy, eh, baka nalulong ko rin kabalulong sa totoo lang.
Oh, nutritious. Salt and pepper.
Kaya malimunin ito. Kailangan i-enjoy. Kailangan mo yung mag-enjoy ko ito kaya kumakain serious. Have fun.
Yeah, let's have fun.
Pag kumalat ito, hindi mo kasalanan. Pigilan mo kami po.
Hep, hep.
Ito, kami niya po kaki ito.
Salt and pepper. Set it and forget. Close it. Ooh,
4 eggs.
4 eggs.
Ayan, sige na po.
Protein. Protein. Yeah.
4 eggs.
The pepper. Because of the pepper.
Marado na. Kasi sila ay hindi siya toppings mo.
Olive oil. Yes po. 4 eggs. And olive oil.
Olive oil. Meron siya 1 cup of flour.
Flour. Ooh.
Can I have the milk? Can I have the milk, please?
Okay.
Boy, meron siyang milk.
Oh.
Kaya i-imagine mo kung paano siya masarap. Ito, susukin mo kanya kapag kubuhan ito. So, salamin.
Creamy. Yummy.
Good, good. Morning po, welcome po. Okay, let's welcome the Cora. Ako, thank you po. Ay, nanay
We have a doctor.
welcome po. Kanya ka pa yung turo ka na. Yung assistant ko doon. Ako nga sinabi. I need my salad master whisk. Ang tayo kang whisk mo. Ano po yan? Hindi pa namin. Ang bilog na yung Of course, you use our salad master. Kuya Ned, akati mo, mag-enjoy ka nga lang, Kuya Ned. Ate, mag-enjoy kayo. So, namin sa kap naniniti ang katamang sauce. Pakipaliwanag, Ate Bess.
Four scrambled eggs, olive oil, milk, flour,
With the cheese.
with cheese. With cheese ba?
Cheese. Grated cheese.
With cheese.
Yummy.
Grated cheese?
Sabi ni Auntie
Wala.
Beth.
Wala ka.
Ayun po. Lalagay. Lalagay. Ayun o, lalagay.
Alina, yung ba sinabi?
Sinabi niya, grated cheese. Sinabi niya, grated cheese.
sana.
Opo.
Hindi pala kaya ka, Eva, baka namin pala. Well, natin ito. Natin naman kami.
O yan, naman ang kuyin. May pag-ewain.
Okay, naman ng Okay, now. Explain to the doctor our recipe. My dear doctor, this is what we call Happy Mary Ann. Colorful.
Very colorful, very healthy, quick and easy, ovenless baked veggies.
Explain mo ang
Ingredients.
Ingredients, Mama.
Broccoli, cut cauliflower, red bell pepper,
Explain niya, go.
onion, sliced tomato without the seeds, salt, pepper to taste. Okay. Pabagya, bes, ikaw na.
Wait, ang sauce ng itang kay. Sinabi na na.
4 scrambled eggs, olive oil, milk, flour, mix them together, and then
Add the grated cheese. Grated cheese from the Salad Master machine. Look at that, guys. Amazing. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
And we will cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah.
230 degrees Celsius.
Colorful.
230.
Baked veggies. And 230 or 320.
230 degrees Celsius. 230 in 15 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. Pag tinikman mo ito, sa totoo na, kung ba makakalaman ng sa umon, ako dito sa it's so easy, kasi wala na isa-isa. Big lang siya, pero yung iba, tinatalabay pa yung mga broccoli, cauliflower, grabe ilagay siya sa box system lang. No food seasoning, no dressing. Ayaw kung matang na kaya. Huwag sila hindi ba na yung good. Okay, very good nito.
Cheese.
Pagkatapos nito, ilagay.
Set it and then forget it. Ang sarap, guys. It's creamy.
So, atong nalipilo yung over the top na sauce niya, no?
This is an original recipe of Auntie Beth Garcia.
Pakilagay dito yung recipe natin sa yung beef stew or pork stew, how to do it. Gusto kong makita kita. Kuya, pork stew. Tapos ito, lagay na natin ng cheese over the top. Kung merong mozzarella cheese, once nag-melt yung cheese, luto na siya. No?
Grated cheese. Chocolate with grated
Yan, sabi, grated cheese.
Yummy!
I tell you, maliligayahan. Pag kinain mo ito, napakamasustansya. Napakaganda niya, no? Yan.
Amazing!
Walk po. Yan.
Amazing, colorful.
Ang package, kung how to allow to increase.
Yes po.
Para sa totoo lang,
Very
ang
healthy.
ginagawa namin dito, parang gusto mo na siya tikman. Yung bang feeling mo ba? Eh? Anong pangalan ng restaurant natin? Ate Bes?
Very colorful, very healthy, quick and easy. Baked veggies.
Lagay ovenless baked veggies.
Ovenless baked veggies.
Sarap. Smells good, guys. And it's only 15 minutes. 230 degrees Celsius. Just leave it. Set it and forget it. Wow.
Hindi na maraming gulay. Yung napakaimalala. Yung beef stew. How to do it? Beef is pork slices. Marinated in
Oyster sauce,
marinated in oyster sauce.
sweet peas, and potatoes. Parang may mushroom. Yummy, guys. Greaseless sauteed. Pork stew. Using our wok.
Sino nga gumagawa ng pork stew natin? Ito po, marinated oyster sauce, little salt and pepper, pagkatapos konting Sprite para mag-neutralize yung lasa niya. Opo. Pagkatapos, kanina, dapat pala, ngayon na lang natin nilagay yung chicharo. Kasi para burning siya kanina. Tapos, of course, meron siyang cream of mushroom.
Wow.
Meron siyang sliced mushroom.
Wow.
Nagets na nyo? Sinulat po ninyo.
Oyster sauce, salt, and pepper.
Marami tayong alam na recipe.
Tapos ginagyan niya ng
Sobrang
Sprite.
sarap. Meron siyang lagyan siya ng red bell pepper. Pwede siyang lagyan ng, anong tawag natin dito, potatoes. And pwede rin siyang carrots. No?
Yummy.
Kuya Paul, ikot mo sa kanila para makita nila. Kasi nakakanggo doon.
Bango.
Kaya kanya rin sa totoo lang. Kaya tapos mapali-pali yung hari natin. No?
Look at that, guys. Every Mondays we have free healthy meal here. Free cooking lesson and
presentation is
healthy meals.
Anong masasabi nyo?
Thank you, Ate Ben.
Kayo?
Opo.
Ang next na mag-perform si Ate Meron.
Ay.
Sa susunod na culinary customer appreciation. Sa susunod Ate Jong Antuero. Tapos Linda and June Howard. Tapos po Nora
And Bex.
Nora and Bex. Bex Pamunan, no? Para yung mga nakatapos yung talents, mailabas natin. Bex Mamu, pwede ka rin, no? Basta sunod-sunod na buwan, iba-iba yung magpe-perform sa ating Customer Appreciation Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ate Ben.
Alright. Thank you, Ate Ben. Can we all thank our beloved dealer? You know what? Napaka-pilot natin, no? Natuto na tayo, nagluto pa tayo ng beloved dealer at nakain tayo ng nutritious and healthy foods cooked from our Salad Master cookware. Kaya healthy tayo. Now, let me call on one of our respected dealers, Tita Bex, distributor. Oh, parang dealer ka na, mama. Ate Bex, mahuli!
Yes, thank you.
Let's watch this. Let's watch this.
Someone once said to me, if you spend all day at the fish market, uuwi kang amoy isda kahit wala kang hinawakan. But if you spend your day in a perfume shop, lalabas kang mabango kahit wala kang binili. Very simple lang siya, pero ang lalim ng ibig sabihin. Because whether you realize it or not, yung environment mo slowly becomes a part of you. Hindi mo man sinasadya, unti-unti kang naaapektuhan ng mga tao sa paligid mo, mag-isip man yan, magsalita, at kumilos. Example, If you surround yourself sa mga taong laging nagre-reklamo, mapapansin mo, you start focusing more on what's wrong than what's right. Kapag puro excuses ang naririnig mo araw-araw, you begin to believe na it's okay not to do anything. Na okay lang manatili kung nasaan ka. If puro negative ang paligid mo, unti-unti kang hihila pababa, hanggang sa hindi mo na napapansin, nagbabago ka na rin. Pero if you surround yourself sa mga taong may pangarap, may disiplina, at may ginagawa para sa mga buhay nila, nahahawa ka rin. You start thinking bigger. You start moving differently. You start believing na kaya mo rin. At kapag kasama mo ang mga taong marunong magpasalamat, you begin to see life in a different light. Mas nakikita mo yung blessings kaysa sa mga kulang. Mas na-appreciate mo kahit yung maliliit na bagay. That's why your circle matters. Hindi lang sila kasama mo, sila yung environment na hinuhubog ka everyday. So be intentional. Choose people na i-push ka to grow. Choose people who speak life, not negativity. At syempre, choose people who remind you of your worth, not your doubts. Because in the end, kahit hindi mo hawakan ng isang bagay or kahit hindi mo bilhin, the scent of your environment will always stay with you kahit saan ka magpunta. So ask yourself, yung environment mo ba helping you grow or slowly pulling you down?
Ang ganda, no? Naririnig ko yung, sino yun? Si Stevie, kasi nyo, ganun si Stevie, di ba? Pag meron tayo sinasabi sa akin. Napakaganda. Anong nakuha natin message doon sa cake na yun? Ate Bes, kanina ka pa ano daw po, marami kasi siyang nasabi. You have to speak life instead of doubts. You have to surround yourself with people who always speak life, who always speak, who are very thankful people, who are positive people.
Realist pala, realist.
Okay. Or, realist people. Thank you. Yeah, marami tayong natutuhan dun, ano? Pwede natin ulit-ulitin yun. Kuha tayo ng kopya. Kapag feeling natin na masyado na tayong nadadown, baka ang mali ay nasa mga tao na nakapaligid sa atin. Kapag meron tayong mga kasama na hindi mapagpasalamat, be grateful, parang feeling natin wala na rin tayong talaga, di ba? Kaya napakaganda nung ko ngayon na watch ko, sabi ko, nakaka-motivate sa bawat isa sa atin. Kasi tayo nakakaramdam naman ng mga negativity. Pero huwag tayong mag-linger doon sa negativity. Kundi, gumawa tayo ng paraan para yung ating puso, isip, di ba? Yung thinking natin talaga ay ma-divert sa positive. Thank you!
Thank you, Ate Bex, one of the positive reinforcers here in Bennett, no? Palakpakan mo natin sila. Dapat talaga, anong klaseng tao ka? Encourager or nag-discourage ka? O baka naman ikaw ay mentor ka daw ba or tormentor? Wag naman.
Kanina, ito gusto ko sabihin sa amin yan. Kung ka mo, magpaligid na sa mga sinisipon. Lahat na kasama mo sinisipon. Kaya virus na malagnak ka. Malagnak lang, lagnak ka naman. So, pag positive ka, realist ka, paglabas mo, realistic ka na rin.
Let's be careful to the people who we surround with. And we're so blessed here at Bennett kasi kaya kailangan natin itong meeting na to. Whether sa Zoom ka, at syempre mas maganda dito. Kasi nakaka-encourage po. Pag napanghihinaan po tayo, of course muna si God, prayers, and of course yung gift ni God is the people who surrounds us. trying to surround your person with positive or realist persons, just like the Garcia family and the whole Bennett Salaman, ay nako, makakayanan natin to. Diba? You can talk with them, anong advices regarding our business po, kung paano po gawin ito ng tama. Eh, syempre, 47 years na po sila sa business. Alam na po nila yan. Tapos sila, Antipex and the other distributors, marami po tayong matututunan sa kanila. Kaya, kailangan po ba natin ng meeting every Monday? Yes! Bawal mag-absent! Pag nag-absent, parang ang na-virusan. So, kung gustong gumaling, mag-attend ng meeting. Okay, thank you po. So, our next video naman, kasi di ba nga, it's all about health and wellness. Pero, paano ba tayo nagkakasakit? Let's look at the video and mamaya idudugtong natin bakit kailangan natin ng Salad Master. So, let's watch this video first.
Your arteries, a system of tubes that transport blood around your body. Over time, the buildup of fatty material can damage and clog arteries, restricting the blood flow. This is known as atherosclerosis and can lead to heart attacks and strokes. There are several causes, including high cholesterol, which can clog up your arteries over time, high blood pressure, which can damage areas in your artery walls, making it easier for fatty material to build up over time, and smoking, where chemicals in tobacco smoke can also damage arteries, leading to this fatty material buildup. If a fatty deposit breaks down or ruptures, a blood clot can form around it. This can block your artery. If this artery supplies blood to your heart muscle, it can cause a heart attack. If this artery supplies blood to your brain, it can cause a stroke. There isn't a cure for atherosclerosis.
Type 2 diabetes is a metabolic disorder that causes sugar in the form of glucose to accumulate in the blood rather than being used as fuel by the cells in our body. It is important to catch diabetes early. Over time, high blood glucose damages the blood vessels, which can damage the organs that these vessels supply, leading to a variety of health complications. Damage to the small or micro blood vessels can cause vision problems, including loss of sight, nerve damage, and kidney disease. Damage to larger or macro blood vessels can lead to cardiovascular complications such as heart disease, stroke, and poor blood circulation. Overweight and inactivity are major causes of diabetes. A family history of diabetes significantly increases your risk of developing the disease.
There's an emerging consensus that what's good for our hearts is also good for our heads, because clogging the arteries inside the brain with atherosclerotic plaque is thought to play a role in the development of Alzheimer's dementia. This is what our cerebral arteries should look like. Open, clean, allowing blood to flow throughout our brain. This is what atherosclerosis in our head looks like. Clogged with cholesterol, closing off our arteries, clamping down on blood flow. What kind of brain arteries do you want in your head?
Alright. So that's important video. By the way, no, ang mga tao may aortic or aorta sclerosis. Ay, grabe. Minsan hindi mo kasi alam, ganyan na yung sa'yo eh. Punong-puno na ng plaque or hilo. Nahihilo. Kasi you lose the oxygen, hindi nagsisirculate yung blood, no? So, it's deadly. Guys, it's deadly. And it doesn't, hindi siya namimili ng age. Pabata ng pabata kung ako kayo sa Philippine Heart Center. Meron ako pabata ng pabata, no? Meron po nagpapa-angioplasty or bypass operation. Sabi nga, according to our study, 7-year-old for an open heart surgery. 7-year-old po na bata na open heart surgery. Bakit po? Jollibee, McDonald's. Tapos yung way of cooking mo sa bahay, panay ka na gamit ng oil. So, maganda po ba yung salad master? Yes! Kanina na-appreciate yung niluto ni Auntie Beth. Yes! She did saute it without oil. And you know, you can fry chicken naman without oil. Tapos you don't need to use bechamel, magic syrup, or any food additives na chemical base na pwedeng magpa-cause ng cancer. So, whenever we cook our food in Salad Master, it's actually clean and healthy. So, for longevity po ng life natin, a good, healthy lifestyle, let's use Salad Master and let's keep spreading the good news about Salad Master. Now, about the science of nutrition, kasi nga pala, ang sasabihin ng doktor sa'yo, hindi agad gamot. Pag may sakit pala, anti-vet, like yung kay dad ko, sabi niya, lifestyle change or nutrition is the best prescription. And we're so blessed because Salad Master is in that position. Okay, nutrition. How many percentage of vitamins and minerals ang nakukuha natin whenever we cook vegetables?
93%.
Oh, very good. Malapakalit sa inyo. So, yun nga po, no? Ang good news po na sa inyo, you don't lose the nutrients whenever you cook. So, dear guys, do you know that? When you cook pinakbet, so you actually enjoy the 93% vitamins and minerals, and that's the nutrition. Natural medicine mo natin. Kaya, hindi ka agad nahawaan ng virus. Totoo po yun. Okay? So, to explain with yung nutrition, let's call on this Sheila Lavera. Okay? Wala kasi yung nutritionist natin, siya na muna.
Ayun. Sino po dito yung mga kumakain ng broccoli? Pakitalas nga po yung bagay. Ayun. Favorite ko ba yun? Ako kasi favorite ko yun. Sarap kasi naman. Ayun. Explain lang po namin yung benefits ng broccoli. Ayun. Luto na daw po. Away na ako eh.
Wow!
Ayun.
Bilis
Hindi
lang.
po pala healthy vegetable yung broccoli. Isa po ito sa
Smells.
mataas. Ayan. Yung mga naibigay ng vitamin sa katawan natin. Number 1 po doon, rich in nutrients po yung broccoli. Bakit? Nakalagay po dito na meron siyang vitamin C. Yung vitamin C po na yun, nag-boost ng immunity natin.
Wow!
Ayan. Bukod doon, meron din po itong vitamin K. Yung vitamin K po na yun, mahalaga siya para sa blood natin.
Wow.
Yes. Ayan. Ganon din yung folate. Nakakasupport po ito ng cell growth. Isa pa, yung fiber. Good po ito for our digestion. Bukod doon, marami pa po, nakikita nyo dyan, nakalagay din dito na supports your immune system. Kaya nagpapasalamat tayo sa broccoli. Bakit? Kasi high in
Powerful.
vitamin siya. Tapos antioxidants pa. At nakakatulong po yun para labanan yung mga infection na pumapasok sa katawan natin. At nananatili tayong malakas kapag kakainin natin yung broccoli. Ayun. Isa pa, good for heart health. Ayan. Nakakatulong po ito para lower bad cholesterol. Ayan. Isa pa, reduce inflammation. Diba? Napakaganda. Sa isang broccoli na yan, ang dami natin makukuha na minerals and vitamins. Bukod doon, hindi lang sa katawan, ayan, ganun din po sa brain natin. Ayan, nakakatulong din po ito na ma-contain yung compounds na nagpoprotekta ng mga brain cells natin. Diba? Kung mag-research talaga tayo about sa mga gulay na kinakain natin, malaki talaga yung benefits ng bawat isa. At sa tulong ng Salad Master, sa pagluluto natin doon, nako-contain, kumbaga, nandun pa din, hindi siya naaalis. Ayan, kasi napakahalaga ng mga vitamins and minerals sa katawan natin. At yung panghuli po, ayan, may help reduce cancer risk.
Yeah.
Bakit? Nagko-contain din po ito ng powerful antioxidant and plant compounds that will help protect cells from
damage. Kaya, kakainin niyo po ba yung broccoli na piniluto?
Yes!
Ayun. Kaya, ayun, magluto po tayo ng broccoli dahil maganda po ito sa katawan. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much, Miss Sheila. Alam niyo po, na-appreciate ko lalo yung piluto ni Ate Beth nung nag-explain siya, di ba? At saka nakita niyo po, 15 minutes lang. Okay? Without the use of any oven for no. We're using the electric skillet. No oil, no water, no oven, 93% vitamins and minerals. That will actually heal us. So let's thank Salad Master for giving us the 93% vitamins and minerals. Right? So, Auntie Beth,
Customer appreciation day to day, nagluto na ako ng napakasarap na oyster chicken. Wow! Oyster chicken kasi may oyster siya. Pero kasi gusto ko masyara ng mga beloved customer natin. Tingnan, wow, ang ganda. Look! Wow, look! Look, meron siyang, ang bango niya, ikot mo siya kasi meron siyang palaman na tanglad o lemongrass para mabango siya. Tapos oyster sauce, no? Tapos bawang. Lots of bawang. Wala siyang benzene, no? You can also add konting Sprite para ma-neutralize yung kanyang, meron siyang tamis, meron siyang pagkatapos, pwede siya, excuse me, pwede siya lutuin na nakakaya or nakadapa. Alin ang gusto ninyo, Ate Mayo? Nakadapa. Pwede. Nakadapa o nakakaya. Whatever. Kasi makapal ang depth ng ating chicken. Kaya dapat nakadapa. Pwede rin siya nakatihaya. No? Yan. Pag finger licking, talagang good siya. Yung patidalis niya, no? Malambat, excuse me, malambat. Kaya, pag sa salad buster, ang dami natin magulutong mabilis. Basta itong lutuin ito, no? Oyster chicken. My dear salad master customers, ito ang luto na bahala na siya sa buhay niya. Ang pamagat, ate? Ang pamagat ng luto ito?
Oyster chicken.
Ibig sabihin,
Masarap po.
bahala na siya sa
Ay,
buhay
bahala
niya.
siya sa buhay niya.
Ibig sabihin, pag talagay doon, wala ka nang gagawin. Hindi mo nakahalutin, hindi mo na... Bahala na siya sa buhay niya. Oysterific. Mamaya matitikman ninyo, no? Ang ginawa ko, dalawang nakadapa, no? Pwedeng tatlo sa wok. Kung marami-rami, 5-6, pwede sa 16 quarts, no? Yan. So, easy to do. Lemongrass, bawang, oyster sauce, then a little Sprite. Tapos na siya. Nagets ninyo? So, ang nakuha niyo luto ngayon, tatlo. No? Sa culinary ang mahal yan. Pero sa Salad Master, libre lang. Natuto na tayo. Kaya kami nag-enjoy for 47 years kasi kumakain tayo araw-araw. Iba-iba, hindi nakakasawa. No? Please try this oysterific chicken. Kung gusto, dalawang version na ginawa ko. The other one is slice. Kasi doon baka marami po rin ang slice na Ate Luz. Kaya, in-slice natin dito para makatikiman lahat. Mga doktora, ano masasabi dito kasi
Na-amaze ko.
na-amaze ito.
Saka si Tita, yung mami. Doktora din po siya.
Ang ganda po ninyo. Salamat po. It's an honor and pleasure na makasama sa namin kayo, our dear, beloved customers. Isang palakpak para sa kanila. Alam niyo po, last year, ang Bennett, kung wala pa tayo. Kaya we really appreciate you. At alam niyo po, hindi lang po sa Dapo Philippines, Dapo Asia, number 1 po Benin. At sa world, number 7, no? Sa inside office natin. Thank you so very much po.
Then we would like to thank Auntie Beth, our dealer, for preparing all these healthy dishes for all of us. Okay, especially our beloved clients. So yung mga hindi nakakita, you can ask your consultants kung ano yung procedure, at saka ingredients, recipes. Kasi po yung iba po bago dating lang, no? Sige po, Auntie Beth. Okay po.
Makita nila yung niluto natin ito, no? Kasi natumi na sila eh. Nakikita niyo po,
Colorful, nutritious, very healthy, quick and easy, ovenless baked veggies. Yes, 15 minutes, just set it and forget it. Nakakagay sa mga clients here.
dapat may parsley pa siya. Ano sa totoo lang, dapat makain ito. Kaya kasi dahil medyo
Okay, thank you Auntie Beth again. So, nagugutom na ba kayo? So, inalitahan, kakain tayo. Pero, syempre may special tayo sa mga clients. But before that, ang Silent Master po, ang mga clients na nag-join to share the movement, no? At naging life changer, kamukha namin, meron pong spotlight every week dito. Na once na nag-share ka ng cooking show, the way we cook, nai-spotlight po yung maraming nalutuan for the week. So, we would like to spotlight on success of the week. We would like to call on Kuya Jun and Adelita Paule for being the top cook of the week. Congratulations, we would like to recognize them po as the top cook. Bago mo na yun, tanong mo na namin, dito kayo. Kumakain na sila kasi ay sarap ng food. Ano ang ginawa nyo last week, bakit kayo naging top cook?
Kasi pag yung mga namin, moving partner, yung talagang sekreto dito.
Ano ba yung ginagawa?
Nag-book sila ahead of the tax. Oo.
Anong binok nila?
Yung mga,
Kasi hindi nila alam
Oo nga pala,
bago
no?
sila.
ang trabaho po kasi namin dito, magbubuk tayo ng mga i-cooking show natin. Yan, yung mga sinasabi ko kung booking partner, yun yung mga nag-join sa ating business. Sila yung nag-book ng mga luto. Nandito yung isa natin, ang masipag natin yung principal, si Ate Len Messina. Yan. 2 weeks before yata nagpuna si Violeta. Ayan, nag-request po siya ng skillet. Tapos yung iba naman namin booking part, ano pala tawag kayo? Consultant in training. CIT. Isa namin CIT naman sa QC, si Kuya Ramil, nakapag din. Doon po kami nag-deliver ng master set. Tapos yung isa namin din booking partner sa bandang Manila din, or CIT. Yan. Yun naman ang work 188, yun po yun. Ang nabok from QC, ang nabok po niya is Kasubik.
Wow.
Opo. Kaya talagang ano yung trabaho natin, walang...
Kahit saan,
Yes.
pwede mag-share.
Kaya parang may sinabi ni Tita Beth, ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang trabaho sa buong mundo, Tita Beth. No, at highest paid. Opo. No. Kaya, yun po, talagang back-to-back yung cooking namin. Pero sabi nga ni Tita Beth, pag pagod, magpahinga. Pag puyat, matulog. Kaya nung pagkatapos ng mga deliveries and cooking show, natulog muna kami. Hindi ko yun na mag-upon. Yes. Para naman yung lunch natin. Kaya, yan ang gagandaan sa trabaho. Hindi tayo araw-araw trabaho, no, Tita Lex. O, pwede ka ngayon trabaho, bukas pahinga, tapos trabaho na naman. Kaya talaga pong
You can manage your own
yes,
time.
your own time. Kaya talaga po hindi kami nagsisisi na nandiyan kami ni Kuya Jun dito. 14 years na po kami dito ni Kuya Jun. Yan, engineer siya dati sa Singapore. Bali kung tototal mo yung 10 eh.
Wow,
10 tao yung inutuan namin. Kaya talaga opo.
Sipag.
Kaya ang sikreto para marami tayong luto kasi ahabulin natin na yung April yung free travel. 4 sets lang, good for 1 na. 7 sets, good for 2. Kaya yun po yung tinatarget namin. Ang sabi ni Tito Steven, kailangan habol naman, no? Kaya lang pagod na pa. Oo, kaya maaga pa, habulin na natin ang free travel. Ngayong April, May, June, 3 months na yun. Okay. Ito po sa lahat ng mga nilutuan namin.
Oo, gusto ko lang idagdag ha. May kasama pa ko doon, pamamasyal kasi yung nilutuan namin ng sugit.
Madam Be, Grace, si Ate Joy wala. Meron kaming bagong motto ngayon ni Ate Joy. Saan ba si Ate Joy? Sabi niya, hindi namin kailangan ng ganda. Kailangan namin ng benta. Asa si Ate Joy wala.
Congratulations, Kuya Jun and Ate Lita! Sipag! Alright! So, sa mga gusto ko, sa lahat ng mga guests dito, you are welcome to join the Silent Master Movement. Di ba ang ganda? Sinishare lang natin yung healthy home cooking movement. And yet, you are being rewarded. Tapos nag-enjoy pa sila, may pa-beach-beach pa. Pero totoo po yun, business with pleasure. And you become one family with your clients. Po yung mga sinasharean. Tapos, you get rewarded pa. So, why not try joining our Silent Master movement? Okay? So, next naman po is we are going to watch a video again about Silent Master. Let's discover Silent Master!
Congratulations on investing in your Salad Master premium cookware. Part na kayo ng aming worldwide Salad Master family. Our mission is to inspire people to eat better, live better, and achieve the life that they desire. At kung start na yun ngayon, is you. Don't be surprised if you enjoy your Salad Master cookware so much that you want to share its benefits to others. Ano ba yung mga benefits na yun? We change lives. Through our healthy cooking system and business opportunities, Salad Master has transformed the lives of thousands of people around the world for 80 years. For sure, naramdaman mo rin iyon. Guarantee of lifetime quality. Ang Salad Master po natin ay gawa sa 316 stainless steel and titanium, which are both used in the medical industry. Ito po yung nakakatulong para ma-maintain ang optimal amount of vitamins and nutrients sa ating pagkain. It substantially reduces cooking time. It is backed by our limited lifetime warranty. And it works well on a variety of home cooking surfaces, from induction cooktops to ceramic, gas, and electric, at pwede rin ito sa mga oven. Every feature of Salad Master is designed with purpose and with you in mind. A business opportunity. We offer a business opportunity that opens the door to earning extra income, independence, and opportunities for growth. Ang ating success program ay puno ng incentives like free travel or free items. Meron ding comprehensive training program and educational business opportunities. It's your opportunity, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Hindi ba ang benefits at maraming iba pa? Together, we can continue to enjoy life with Salad Master. We are looking forward to having you with us in our movement to promote healthy home cooking.
Alright! Palakpakan natin, no? Ganda ng Salad Master. Aside from the benefits of healthy home cooking, it also gives us the opportunity na pag-share sa iba and then you get rewarded. Sino gusto ng rewards dyan? Free travel! Free Salad Master item! Taas na kumay! Sino pa gusto ng free income? Extra earnings! Di ba lahat ngayon naghahanap ng side hustles? Di ba? Kasi nga daw, tumaas yung gasolina. Eto na yun, guys. Eto na yun. Dito natin tuloy yun. Okay? So, to introduce, kasi dito po, pagka nag-join po, ang tawag, pag nag-join po kayo sa Salad Master, ang tawag sa inyo, life changers. Kasi binabago natin ang buhay ng tao na sinera natin ang Salad Master. Okay? And ganun din, pati yung buhay mo. So, to introduce and update us, and to welcome the new life changers as follows are